Wait, is that like 1,000 critical registry errors? Should you panic or should you click the fix now button? Absolutely not. Most registry cleaners are straight up scams, but regardless, your registry does need care. And that's if you do it the safe way. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to, step by step. Imagine your Windows registry is like a massive library. Every program you install writes a new book of settings, but when you uninstall apps, they rip out just a few pages and leave the rest behind. And over time, your registry becomes a messy library, cluttered but not necessarily broken. Now, here's the critical difference. Most registry errors won't slow you down, but corrupted entries can crash your apps or even Windows itself. So, should you clean it? Yes, but only the right way. Listen closely. The registry is Windows brain, so one wrong edit can break your PC, and that's why you want to back it up before you make any changes. Here's how to do that in seconds. Step 1. Press Windows and R keys, type regedit and hit enter. Go to File, click Export, select all and save to a folder you won't forget. Name it something like Registry Backup with today's date so you never lose it. Now the $1,000,000 question. How do you clean the registry without nuking Windows? Here are the only two methods I personally trust. First is using the Windows built-in disk cleanup. Now, disk cleanup is a Microsoft approved tool. It removes junk files and some registry debris. Just search disk cleanup in the search bar. Choose the system drive, then click OK. Check all the options and hit OK. Now you want to confirm deletion and nothing to worry about because this is all 100% safe. Second is using the CCleaner. Now if you insist on CCleaner, then you must follow these rules. 1. Only delete unused file extensions or missing shared DLLs. 2. Never touch ActiveX objects or fonts because they are system critical. 3. And most important of all, always backup first, no exceptions. Now here's how to use it. First, download and install it safely. Use this official site and never download CCleaner from any third-party sites. After installing CCleaner, open it and navigate to the Registry tab. Click Scan for issues. See all these errors? 90% are actually harmless. You want to only fix missing shared DLLs and unused file extensions. Never delete ActiveX, fonts, or application paths. Check only the 2 safe categories I just told you. Name the file as something like CCleaner backup. Well, this backup lets you undo changes if something breaks. Now finally, click Fix selected issues. After that, restart your PC. Now if any apps crash after this, restore your backup immediately using the reg file you saved. Okay, enough of all that. Let's do some reality check. Most registry cleaners are placeables. Your PC won't magically get faster, but it can get bricked. Only clean if 1. Apps crash randomly and reinstalling doesn't help. 2. When Windows Update fails due to registry corruption. 3. If you're a power user and you know exactly what you're deleting. Otherwise, reboot, update Windows, or check your disk health, because obsessive cleaning, that's how IT nightmares begin literally. So, did this save you from a registry disaster? Let us know in the comments, and if you want more powerful tech tips, like and subscribe. Next up are the biggest tech lies you still believe in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.